This is our KitchenAid mixer, the Artisan model, and it's not been used very much, and it started making an awful sound. Matter of fact, as we thought back on it, ever since new, it's about 6 or 7 years old, but it's barely been used. Every time we've used it, it's made a really rough just sound, and it got really bad one day, and then it stopped altogether. So I did some checking online. This is, you could adjust the speed control. There's a phase control board there. There's a governor. I also replaced the brushes. Now, since I replaced the brushes and have adjusted it, I get it to run again. It was to the point where it wouldn't run at all, but it's still making awful noises. And you can see, I don't know if the lighting's terrible, but that control board is very crooked. But that's, believe it or not, after fiddling with it for about 10 minutes, that's the smoothest that it'll run. I'm going to start it up. It seems to be running fairly smoothly, but there's like a grinding noise coming from where the brushes are. I'm wondering if the armature is not bad or if it's a bad bearing or something. But it's cooking along pretty good now. Any help would be appreciated.